In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use strips in Wix. Strips are one of the simplest and most powerful ways to build clean, responsive sections on your Wix site. Think of them as full-width, horizontal containers that help you separate your page into clear parts, like a hero banner, an about section, or a features row, while keeping everything neatly aligned across different screen sizes. They're also highly flexible, letting you use colors, images, or even video as backgrounds, and many presets are organized into side-by-side layouts that make content easier to scan. Let's get started inside the Wix editor. Look toward the top left and click the plus icon. This opens the Add panel, which is where you'll find all the building blocks for your page. From here, go into Layout Tools, then choose Section Grids. This is where Wix Group's ready-made section presets designed to snap into your page structure. You'll see a variety of options, including strips. Each preset is designed to be responsive and visually balanced right out of the box, so you spend less time fiddling with alignment and more time focusing on your message. Browse the presets and pick one that fits the type of content you want to showcase. When you're ready, click a strip preset and drag it onto your site. As you drag, you'll notice placement guides that help you align the new section exactly where you want it on the page. Drop it between existing sections or at the top or bottom. Wix will automatically size it to full width and maintain consistent spacing with your other content. With the strip in place, you can start adding content to each area it provides. Many strip presets already include columns, which are perfect for side-by-side layouts like text on the left and an image on the right. Add your headlines, paragraphs, buttons, images, or icons directly into the strip, and they'll snap into the structure for a clean, professional look. Because strips are full width, they adapt well to different screens, helping your design remain readable and cohesive on desktop, tablet, and mobile. A quick tip as you work: choose a preset that closely matches your intended layout so you don't have to make heavy adjustments. Keep your text concise, your visuals consistent, and your spacing even to create a polished flow from one strip to the next. And remember, strips can carry unique backgrounds, color, image, or video, so each section can stand out while still feeling part of a unified design. That's all. You've added a strip to your page and started building with a flexible, responsive section that keeps your content organized and visually engaging.